This is my journey, like Israel of old. I travel through the wilderness, so far away from home. Though dangers surround me, though the night is long, the Lord is my light, my beacon and guide, my strength and my song. And I will be strong, I will walk unafraid. With the Lord as my companion, every step along the way. Then come what may, I'll live with courage in my heart, because I know He is with me everywhere I go. This is my journey, like Israel of old. I need not wander lost nor seek to find my way alone. His presence before me is all that I require. The Lord is my light, my beacon and guide, my pillar of fire. And I will be strong, I will walk unafraid. With the Lord is my